I have questions. I may have answers.
Oh my god, did you hear that? What? 5 paisa is offering 5 times withdrawal request processing, 5 times margin on equity delivery and intraday, till 3:20 pm intraday square of time. Price chart along with buy sell button on the same screen. Pledging of shares 10 rupees per order. Up to rupees 1000 cashback on brokerage with just 25 rupees MMC. Oh my god, its features are huge. Since I'm new to this stuff, can you explain everything in detail? Sure. To begin with, first 5 times withdrawal request processing. 5 Paisa is the only discount broker in India which processes withdrawal requests 5 times a day, while other brokers processes 1 to 2 times a day. The processing time is 7:30 am, 9:30 am, 11:30 am, 1:30 pm and 4:30 pm on any given trading day. Cool, my money is back safely into my bank account. Oh yes. Coming to second, 5 times margin on equity delivery and intraday, which means one can buy stocks of worth 5 times greater the value, the amount available with him or her. For example, if one have 5000 rupees, he or she can buy shares of worth rupees 25,000. Oh wow! I have less fund in my pocket, yet 5 paisa is allowing me to buy shares of more value. But my budget is only 500 rupees per month. 1000% accepted. 5 paisa cares everyone and one can start his or her investing journey with just rupees 200 to 300 rupees per month. But remember, higher the investment, higher the returns. Outstanding. Switching to third, till 3:20 pm intraday square of time. 5 paisa is amongst very few discount brokers in India that offers intraday square of time till 3:20 pm, while other offers 3 pm or 3:10 pm. It's just 10 to 20 minutes extra. How will it benefit? In share market, every second counts. So anyone's afternoon trade may turn neutral or green, which was earlier red. Oh wow, means chances are high of coming to neutral or green. Yes. Redirecting to fourth, price chart along with buy sell button on the same screen. To avoid facing delays in placing buying and selling order, since every second matters. On others platform, one has to first see the chart on the different screen, then exiting that screen to place a buy order, then exiting that screen to place a sell order, which consumes a lot of time. Got it? Diverting to fifth, pledging of shares, which means getting the extra margin in exchange of shares which one already owns to avoid adding additional fund, often using intraday trades. And 5 paisa is amongst very few discount brokers in India which allows pledging of shares. Means no need to add additional fund for intraday trades. Yes. Oh wow. Changing to sixth, 10 rupees per order. 5 paisa is the only discount broker in India that charges only 10 rupees per order irrespective of quantity, which is comparatively low in comparison to other brokers charging 20 rupees per order. To do so, one needs to subscribe Power Investor Pack costing rupees 499 per month, subject to investor or trader having greater than or equal to 10,000 capital. Will I get some discount on Power Investor Pack? Yes, more than 20% discount on festive season such as Holi, Diwali, Christmas, Happy New Year, etc. And currently 20% discount applicable. The 20% discount coupon will be revealed once the free Demat and trading account opening procedure using the referral link in the description is completed. Oh wow, it's giving lot of discount. Yes. Turning around to 7, up to rupees 1000 cashback on brokerage, which 5 paisa is offering under its unique Ultra Trader Pack costing rupees 999 per month. When one trades a certain amount of brokerage is collected from him or her, and if this collected brokerage is above rupees 1000 per month, then 5 paisa gives back up to rupees 1000 cashback on brokerage. 20% discount applicable to with Ultra Trader pack. Oh my god, that means it's taking rupees 1000 and returning back up to rupees 1000. Great. Yes, but wait, that's not over with Ultra Trader pack. All the features of Power Investor pack are by default included in Ultra Trader pack along with its unique 10 rupees per order. Besides this, call and trade facility along with rupees 1 lakh above pay-in through net banking is absolutely free with Ultra Trader pack. Subject to investor or trader having greater than or equal to 15,000 rupees capital. Oh my god, 5 paisa just nailed it. Anything else other than this? Yes. Finally, the last, rupees 25 MMC, which refers to monthly maintenance charges as incurred by 5 paisa, like other brokers too. But wait a minute, anyone will be surprised to know that this 25 rupees MMC is completely waived off if the Ultra Trader pack is subscribed annually or quarterly. Other than this, 5 paisa offers a lot of things. Therefore, 5 paisa welcomes everyone for their investing and trading journey. Yes, I am on and have changed my mind. From 500 rupees per month, I will now trade and invest with rupees 15,000 capital, subscribing Ultra Trader pack. The information given is detailed, to the point, 100% transparent and enough to convince. Kindly share your 5 paisa referral link. The link is given in the description below. Everyone will be getting free of cost Nifty 50 or Nifty 100 stock recommendations to help earn profit and wealth through long-term investing. For anyone having their existing Demat and trading account with other broker can also open a new free Demat and trading account with 5 paisa. Taking a little step further, anyone can transfer existing holdings or shares from current broker to 5 paisa through CDSL. Investing through mutual fund may give less returns. So here's the mathematical calculation ready with proper risks and money management to maximize the returns. Kindly connect by WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn and Telegram, whose links are too given in the description. This is 5 paisa made with love in Maharashtra, the richest state in India, in service to India. With warm regards, Mayur Mate, bound to give best customer and feedback support, a 5 paisa partner. एक मराठी माणूस. जय महाराष्ट्र, जय हिंद.